In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a calendar or a date table in Power BI. Let's open Power Query. Now let's navigate to the View tab. And under Parameters, make sure Always Allow is selected. Let's navigate back to the Home tab. Manage Parameters. New parameter. Let's call this Start Date. Data type, let's select Date. In the current value, let's enter January 1st of the earliest data that we want to report by. For example, if our data ranges from June 2024 through current year, here we will enter January 1st of 2024. We click OK. Now we go to New Source, Blank Query. And we open the Advanced Editor. Let's delete all of this and replace it with this code, which you can find in the description of the video. We click Done. This creates a list of dates from your start date all the way through December 31st of the current year. This is going to help you because you won't have to worry about updating your calendar when the next year comes around. Because when we enter the next year, Power Query will automatically add all of the dates through December 31st of the year. Now let's convert this list to a table. We click To Table. We click OK. Now let's rename this to Date. Let's add some columns, starting with the year. We go to Add Column, Date, Year. Now let's add a month. We click on our Date table again, then Date, and Month. Now we go back to Date, Date, and let's add Name of Month. Now let's add a month name abbreviation. Select the month name column, and then column from examples, from selection. Let's call this month name abbreviation. And we type in the first 3 characters of the month name. I'm going to scroll down, and when I see February, I see 4 characters. I'm going to click on the first instance of February and remove the 4th character. And I press Tab on the keyboard. As we can see, that fixed our code. Let's click OK. Now let's add a quarter. We select the date column again, Date, Quarter of Year. Now let's add another column for the quarter, but include the letter Q in front of the quarter number. With the quarter column selected, let's click Column from Examples from Selection. We can call this quarter name. Here I type in a Q and the quarter. I hit Enter, and this gives exactly what I'm looking for. OK. Now let's add the week of the year. We select the date column once again, Date, Week of Year. Now let's add the week of the month. We go back to the date column, Date, Week of Month. Now let's add the day. Once again, we select the date column, Date, and Day. Now let's add the day of the week. And last, let's add the day name. Date, Name of Day. Now let's change the date column type to Date. And let's rename this table to Calendar. We go to Home, Close and Apply. And in order for Time Intelligence to work properly, let's navigate to the table view. We click on Calendar Options, Mark as Date Table. We toggle this on, and we choose the Date column. We click Save. We click Done. This is how we create a calendar or date table in Power BI. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.